Hello, friends. Welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and I'm really happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Today's topic sounds big and maybe a little scary. The future of learning, AI, and conversational English.
But don't worry, we'll talk slowly, share stories, and learn together. Last year, my student Maria moved to another country. She was shy, she was afraid to speak English.
One day, her teacher gave her a small AI app on her phone.
The app said, "Hi, Maria, let's practice English."
She practiced every day. No judgment, no pressure, just conversation.
And slowly, Maria started talking to people at school, and then to new friends.
The AI didn't replace the teacher. It helped the teacher, like a friendly assistant.
Let's learn some words. 1 AI, artificial intelligence. Smart computer programs that can think and learn. AI helps me practice English. 2 automation, machines or software doing work automatically. Automation can save time. 3 practice, do something again and again to get better. I practice English every day.
Repeat after us. AI helps people learn. Automation makes work easier. I practice English with confidence.
When you want help learning, you can say, "Can you explain that again? Can we practice this together?"
And here's a useful idiom. Practice makes perfect. It means the more you practice, the better you become. Imagine this. You walk into class, and there's a big screen.
On the screen, an AI tutor smiles and says, "Hello, today we will talk about your dreams."
Students from many countries join. Brazil, Japan, Egypt, Pakistan, France.
Everyone talks, everyone listens. The AI helps with grammar. The teacher helps with feelings, ideas, and support.
Technology plus teacher plus you. That's the future.
Repeat slowly. I am not afraid to speak. I learn step by step. The future of learning is conversation.
But don't worry. Robots won't eat your homework.
Haha, yes, they might just remind you to finish it. Friends, AI is not here to replace you.
It's here to support you, help you speak, help you grow.
Your voice is still the most important part.
Thank you for learning with us today.
Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself. See you next time on Amjee's English World.